Welcome, my name's Sue from createwithsue.com, and today we're going to look at this little mini press. So this is from HTVRont, and it comes in a box like this. It has open it up and straight away you see a little manual with it, which is great. It comes with a bag to store it in. It's good. Might sublimate that, looks like it could sublimate. And your cable. This is for an Australian PowerPoints, but it would come with your local area. Make sure you order something with to suit your country. And a stand that's a heat-proof stand. So that's good. And I'm going to use this to sublimate, well, actually add a piece of sublimation to an error. My grandson, when he was born, I made him a lovely tag and spelled his name wrong. So I'm going to do that. The press feels a really good weight, easy to use. I mainly bought it to piece on applique pieces onto material in the hoop, but we'll use it for other reasons. So the manual tells you that there's 3 settings. So 1 light is low, 2 medium and 3 high. So I'm going to use high for the sublimation, and you'll see the lights on the front there. And plug in, it's heated up, so that's good. I've already created a piece of sublimation. Oh, there we go. Just press the buttons and it changes to the temperature, and when it stops flashing, it's reached temperature. So the information's in the book if you need it. And I'm just going to go and pop some gloves on so I don't burn my fingers. Okay, so here's my gloves. And one was enough. I took another one off. And I've already created a fix-up piece of tea. So what I've done is add a little piece of tea there, ready to fix it, because I forgot. I've spelled his name with 1 T instead of 2. And I always love a good rescue. So I'm going to apply pressure. This little mini press is ideal for this because I don't want to apply temperature or heat to the pre-sublimated area. So I'm only got the pressing on the area for the new sublimated tea. So sublimation, for anyone who doesn't know, is done with a special printer that prints with sublimation ink. You can buy infusible ink, which has the same sort of process, or you can also use infusible ink pens or sublimation pens. There's also sublimation paint. And you can press the sublimation inks onto special sublimation blanks, 100% polyester. These are not particularly designed for sublimation, however, they're acrylic, and this worked on white acrylic. This was fine. You can purchase specific acrylic, casting acrylic, I think it is, for sublimation blanks, but I had these, so I just used them anyway because I had them and I thought I'll see how they go, and they turned out really good, except I forgot the tea. So apart from that, they turned out really good. So here we are, just going to let it cool a little bit before, very hot. Just going to let it cool a little bit before I peel that tea off and check. I can just see the colouring through the paper, which means normally that it is sublimated for enough time. I'll just peel it up. Now with acrylic, it will sometimes bend. Because I've only done a little piece of the acrylic, heated the little piece, it's not too bad. But when I did the whole design, I actually had to put it under a book to keep it flat. You can see I've just nicked the other tea and it's wrecked it a little bit where the heat's got to the previous sublimated area, just there. Never mind. And I put the tea on a little arc. If I had been doing it all in one hit, I would have popped it underneath the dinosaur so it sat nice and straight, but never mind. It's a not a bad recovery from forgetting the tea. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll just point out that this is a little bit hot, so I would put it on something protective, like my heat press mat is ideal, not directly on your table because it is a little hotter than I expected. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this interesting with the HTVRont Mini Press and a little bit about sublimation. And there's my finished design. Catch you next time. Bye.